Hey, Miss Chase.
Sorry, I don't have this number saved. Who is this?
It's Alex from school.
How exactly did you get my number?
You put it on the board in class today in case we needed any help.
No, I didn't, Alex. Why don't you tell me how you actually got my number?
I got it from Crystal.
My daughter gave you my number.
That's what I just told you.
Yeah, right. Sure she did.
It's true. We sit next to each other in math.
Alex, that's really manipulative. The whole school knows Crystal is into you. You probably used that to get my number.
Who cares if I did?
I do, Alex.
Well, what if I'm not into Crystal?
You must be lying. Everyone knows you guys are perfect for each other.
Everyone is wrong. I've got my eyes set on someone else.
Who else could you possibly like?
I wonder.
Tell me so I can tell Crystal who it is you really like. That way you don't have to break my daughter's heart.
That's gonna be a problem, Miss Chase.
Why?
I like you, Miss Chase.
Is this some kind of joke?
I see the way you look at me in class. I know you feel the same way.
Can't you just date Crystal? She looks exactly like me, Alex.
Well, not exactly.
What do you mean?
Well, you have better melons.
How dare you talk about a teacher that way? That's also insulting to my daughter.
Can't say I'm lying though, can you?
No, I guess not. Regardless, you need to be punished for this. Tomorrow after school, come to my